On Monday, more than a handful of maximum temperature records were broken for the month of November, including the Ograbies Falls, which soared to a sizzling 46 degrees. Bloemfontein also broke its record. Here's the highest temperatures measured across South Africa in each province during a 10-day-long heatwave, which is finally over, except for in Limpopo. It will continue until Wednesday. So here's your forecast. On Wednesday, you can thank this cold front for the cooler conditions across the country. Some cloud and light showers at first over the interior, spreading into the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, and then later stormy conditions moving over the northern areas of KwaZulu-Natal into Mpumalanga, Limpopo, as well as parts of the Highveld. That's where the South African Weather Service is warning against a few of those storms becoming severe, leading to large amounts of small hail, gusting winds, and heavy downpours. Here's what you can expect on Wednesday. Some light rain possible along the coast and the adjacent interior. Only light showers in the Eastern Cape. A slight chance of a quick morning light shower over the interior, but scattered to widespread showers over northeastern South Africa, and especially stormy conditions expected in parts of Mpumalanga. Our solar radiation map showing the same picture. A low PV harvest due to the cloud and rain over the northeastern areas and especially over KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga. Peak performance in the Northern Cape and Limpopo due to lots of sunshine and the extremely hot weather. Beyond that cold front, a fresh to strong southwester blowing along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, and also a gusting southeasterly and southerly wind picking up along the coast of the Western Cape as well as the West Coast. A windy Wednesday for the coastal areas of the Western Cape with a fresh to strong south to southeasterly wind blowing in Cape Town as well as along the West Coast with 25 degrees in Cape Town. Heating up over the northern areas, but an onshore flow bringing in some cloud the morning for the coastal towns and a quick light shower likely. Otherwise, a partly cloudy day with maximum temperatures in the lower 20s. Becoming windy in parts of the Western as well as the Eastern Cape, with especially a fresh to strong southwester spreading along the coast between Port Edward as well as Port St. John's. That onshore flow will push in lots of cloud and light showers, with thunderstorms expected over the eastern areas. The same strong south to southwesterly wind expected to bring in lots of cloud and cooler conditions for KwaZulu-Natal. Temperatures much lower in the lower 20s and becoming stormy over the northern areas with scattered to widespread thunderstorms also moving over large parts of Mpumalanga on Wednesday. That's also where the Weather Service is warning against the possibility of heavy downpours as well as hail. In Limpopo, it's the last day of heatwave conditions for the north with maximum temperatures soaring to 40 degrees. Thunderstorms expected over the central as well as the southern parts and in the Bushveld. It's still warm in northwest, but thankfully not heatwave conditions anymore, with isolated storms expected over the central and eastern areas. A gusting southerly wind along the west coast on Wednesday, temperatures in the mid-20s in Alexander Bay, heating up over the rest of the Northern Cape, later becoming windy with hot weather over the northern areas. In the Free State, it's also much cooler but still warm the afternoon. Windy in Bloemfontein, reaching a high of 30 degrees with isolated storms over the eastern part. On Wednesday, 28 degrees in Pretoria with a 30% chance of thunderstorms over Gauteng but becoming scattered over the northern and extreme eastern areas. Overnight into Thursday, a few more isolated showers likely over the northeastern areas, otherwise partly cloudy conditions. And now Bergwinds heating up the west, soaring to 42 in Vredendal and 34 degrees in the mother city. On Friday, an onshore flow will bring in much cooler conditions for the Western Cape and along the southern coastline, with a few storms expected over the Northern Cape and Free State. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.